Hey everybody, welcome back. Today's episode is going to be some meat grinding once again. Today I've got the Meat Your Maker 1.5 horse meat grinder, and Will and I have killed a couple does already early season, and we just spent the whole afternoon butchering them up and boning them out. So now we're going to do some grinding. We just got the back straps and everything vacuum sealed, so this is our final step here. So we're just going to walk through. Right now I've got all the parts in the freezer to chill them down, and the meat is also a third to half frozen just to give us a better grind. So we're going to go ahead and assemble this thing, and then we're going to start grinding, so stick with us. All right guys, we're gonna go ahead and load up the tray here with all our meat, and we're gonna go ahead and grind with our 10mm plate just to get a coarse grind on everything. So everything is pretty much trimmed up with all the silver skin and different stuff like that. So, all right, we got our tray loaded up. Willie, you wanna do me the honors? All right guys, so we just ran through our first batch here, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and switch to the 4.5mm plate. We're gonna put it on here, and then we're gonna go ahead and grind it one more time and package it right up. All right guys, so we got our attachment on here to stuff these sacks. Put this plastic plug on here. That way you can fill up our tubes and stuff to hold the meat. So we'll show you how we're gonna do that. And yeah, that's what we're doing right now. We're just stuffing them up. All right guys, here you go. This is our finished product here, packaged and ready for freezing. These are the Meat Your Maker bags, super handy. We have a bunch of them. They work really, really well. And then I have just the tape gun for it. Basically, a lot of commercial places will send you ground venison like this in the same system. And if you're looking to do something like this by yourself or at home, it's very affordable. So if you want to check out any gear that we used here today, you can head over to meatyourmaker.com. They have everything. There's a link down below in our description. We are affiliated with them, so if you hit the link and you want to support us, that's a great way to do so. So with that being said, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. It sure is fun doing some meat processing by yourself. That way you get to do everything, you know, from when the deer was harvested, how it was cared for, to the hanging, freezing, butchering, deboning, everything. You're in control of it all. So we're pretty excited to see how this turns out once we hit it on the grill, which will be very soon. So anyways, we hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you later. Thanks for watching.